Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in essentials: your party composition, chosen difficulty, and primary objective. Once done, equip 2 crowd control tools and a high damage option so you can adapt on contact. Make sure to assign roles immediately. 1 leader calls engages, 1 flanker creates pressure, and support focuses sustain and interrupts. Deploy to the approach quietly, use cover where possible, and start with a coordinated opener that softens defenses. This sets the tempo for every subsequent stage. Once you hit the perimeter, breach in a synchronized 5-8 second window so defenders can't redeploy effectively. You should use the flanker to peel off patrols while the leader locks onto the Bastion core and calls target priorities. Make sure to stagger major cooldowns across the team in roughly 10-15 second intervals to maintain constant pressure without overlap. Communicate hits and reposition deliberately. Controlling lines of sight and choke points turns a chaotic fight into a predictable victory. Finish by clearing remaining hostiles and securing objectives. Loot only when the area is safe to avoid ambushes. Once done, perform a quick sweep to remove traps and set a defensive perimeter for extraction. If something goes wrong, regroup immediately. Pull back, heal, and reapply your crowd control before re-engaging, because reset fights are often easier than forcing a lost one. Remember, if your team becomes overwhelmed, disengage to reset and return with a revised approach rather than forcing a failed push.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.